Hello guys, welcome to Solving Solutions. So in today's tutorial we are going to show you how to use the Python window on ArcGIS Pro to import a raster data. So we have the code here and then this is an explanation. So import ArcPy tells ArcGIS Pro to load ArcPy, which is the Python library ArcGIS is used to work with maps, layers, rasters and the rest of that. Right, good. So now the raster path, that's where the data is being stored, it has been defined, and then we now have what the ArcPy management. So this particular line takes the raster file stored at the defined path and then reads it into what the ArcGIS Pro. So let's just copy this and then we come to ArcGIS Pro, we go to analysis, use the drop down under Python, and then we have show window. So it's actually initializing the Python interpreter. Okay, so we can now paste what we have copied, which is what the code that will import the raster data, and then we click on enter twice. We can see that what our raster data has been imported. So we have three classes. This should be the water body, the green should be the build up, the red should be changed to what? Green, which is vegetation, right? So basically we have used ArcGIS Pro Python window to read and import a raster data into our work environment. Going further, we are still going to do so many stuff using Python and ArcGIS Pro. So until then, keep staying safe and have a fantastic time. Bye.